Okay, folks, it's the beginning of another week, and we've got your forecast coming up. In fact, we're having to share this Alexandria tower cam there with a wasp. We'll call it a wasp cam, and they demand their camera time. All right, let's check out the sky. It's partly cloudy at this particular point. We've seen intervals of sun. It was a hot, muggy day, as the rest of these days previously have been. Looking, Gina, to the south, we're seeing a little bank of clouds in that direction, looking from the Saw Parish. Otherwise, overhead, it's pretty clear and sunny there. So I'm going to be talking about several different things here for today. We do have a typical June weather pattern to end the month. But what's the first week of July look like? What does July look like starting off? And we actually have a system out in the Atlantic, AL90. So we'll talk about a couple of possibilities with that guy. So let's get to it with the radar. We see hit and miss showers and a few thunderstorms across the area, a couple of outflow boundaries, several outflow boundaries, in fact, running across the area. But I want to focus in on this area of convection and storms and showers to the south, running from about Lafayette into the Baton Rouge area and points northward from there. And I'll put this into motion for an hour so you can kind of see the trends. You can see this moving to the west and to the northwest. Okay, so what I think is going to happen is that this batch of showers and thunderstorms in the area of South Louisiana, around the Lafayette area, and points to westward from there, and then into the Baton Rouge area and on north. That will move into at least the eastern and southern portions of our viewing area here in central Louisiana. And so, yeah, the rain chance isn't over yet. That's my bottom line on this. So looking at the satellite imagery, look at the cloud motion with this huge clockwise flow right there. Do you see that? That's the heat dome that we've been talking about. You've been hearing about that heat wave east. This is a massive high pressure, warm to hot bubble of air. And notice that we're on kind of the side that gets a little weakness from that. When it gets hot enough, like it will here and has done today and previous days, showers and thunderstorms bubble up in that type of environment, and you cool off from the rain, then it starts all over again the next day. So if you'll be out Monday evening shopping, errands, entertainment, something like that, this model I think looks a little scarier than what it will really be like. But some showers or thunderstorms cannot be ruled out. I might even advise you take an umbrella if you're going to be going out this evening, just in case. So we get through that into Tuesday morning. The issue there would be the humidity. And once we get hot during the day, Tuesday, we'll see hit and miss showers and some thunderstorms. Not as much as I think this evening, but there'll be a respectable chance around the area. And then once we get into Wednesday for the commute, maybe a little early fog across Sinlaw, but certainly some humidity with us as well. So your 7-day forecast, about 92 to 95 on the high temperatures. That is a tad above the 92 that we typically see for this time of year. 72, 74 for morning lows is pretty close, right on target for that. So on the average, this 7-day forecast is very close to June normals, but maybe a tad lower than some of these hotter days like Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Rain chances this time of year, listen to this, 60% is what we should be seeing for percentages on rain. We don't see that. We see less than that. So several 50s, though. That's pretty respectable. And so, yeah, it's kind of interesting that late June, climatology says, is one of the wetter periods of the year as far as the aerial coverage of showers and thunderstorms. All right, so let's go into your tropical interest area. So we actually have one, AL90. Hurricane Center is giving that a 60% chance of development. It's about 600 or so miles east-northeast of Bermuda, and not coming this way. And it's got a short-term window for development. If it doesn't develop by tomorrow, I don't think it's going to. So temperature outlook, starting July, the first week, the 1st through the 7th, 73 and 92 are normal SINLAW numbers. This outlook from the Climate Prediction Center says most thermometers will average above those numbers. I don't think it's going to be much. It's not a focus heat or anything like that. So, yeah, 73, 92 will be a little bit above that. And then as far as your rainfall is concerned, we are in an above normal category here. So what that says is that according to the Climate Prediction Center, they're saying that it will average above normal rainfall, and that is 1.07 inches here in Sinlaw. How's that for being precise? All right, so most rain gauges should catch, if this Outlook verifies, should catch that much rain, that more than that much rain. All right, so above 1.07 for most rain buckets starting the first week of July. All right, that's it from me. And Nick Michels will see you in the morning. I'll be back with you in the PM hours for tomorrow and be in the forecast center as well. Thanks for your support for Stenlaw Weather and hope your Tuesday is tremendous.